Lesson 2 Everyday Greetings Level 1. Characters Susan Teacher, Sam Student, Ben a Friend. Part 1 Greetings. Hello.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Goodbye.
Good night.
Good night, I am going to bed. Part 2 Everyday Conversation. Susan meets Sam, one of her students, and his friend on the street. Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, teacher. How are you?
Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. Are you from Germany, Paul?
Yes, I'm from Dresden in East Germany. Are you from New York?
No, I am from Boston, but I live in New York now.
Well, goodbye, teacher. It was nice to see you.
Yes, goodbye. Part 3 Useful Phrases. When you meet people, use good morning first thing in the morning, good afternoon from 12 p.m. to around 5 p.m. Good evening after 5 p.m. Hello or hi informal, use anytime. When leaving, say goodbye or bye more informal. At night, say good night when leaving, good night before going to bed. Part 4 How to Respond. If someone asks, "How are you?" here's how you can respond. Happy, great, thanks. Neutral, I am fine, thanks, or I am okay, thanks. Sad, not too bad, thanks. Let's practice. Hello.
Hello.
Great. Today we will learn about everyday greetings. First, let's practice saying good morning.
Good morning.
Excellent. Now, what do we say in the afternoon?
Good afternoon.
Perfect. When we leave, we say goodbye.
Goodbye. Why?
And at night, we say good night.
Good night. Well.
Great job. Now, let's practice a conversation. Imagine me meets Sam on the street. Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, teacher. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
Not too bad. Teacher, this is my friend Paul. This is Lynn, my English teacher.
Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. Are you from Germany, Paul?
Yes, from Dresden. And you, are you from New York?
No, I'm from Boston, but I live in New York.
Well, goodbye, teacher. It was nice to see you.
Yes, goodbye. Now, let's talk about what to say when we meet people. In the morning, we say good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. In the evening, we say good evening. You can also say hello or hi anytime. Let's practice responses to how are you. How are you?
Happy, great, thanks.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Or I'm okay, thanks.
How are you?
Not too bad, thanks.
Finally, when we leave, we say goodbye.
Goodbye. Right?
Or bye, which is more informal.
Bye.
At night, we say good night.
Good night.
And when you go to bed, you say good night.
Good night.
Lesson 2 Special Greetings Level 3 Characters Susan Teacher, Sam Student. Part 1 Special Greetings. Now, let's learn some special greetings. For Christmas, we say,
Happy Christmas. Or Merry Christmas.
on New Year's Day, we say,
Happy New Year.
For Easter, we say.
Happy Easter.
If someone is taking a test, we say.
Good luck.
When someone graduates, we say.
Congratulations or well done.
If someone is not feeling well, we say.
Get well soon. Get well soon.
Part 2: Introductions and Handshakes. Now, let's talk about introductions. When we meet someone formally for the first time, we shake their hand and say,
How do you do? Or pleased to meet you.
remember, how do you do is not a real question, it just means hello. When young people meet informally, they might say,
Give me 5.
yes, they slap their hands together, or now they might do an elbow bump. Part 3: Formal and Informal Greetings. Let's talk about formal and informal greetings. For first meetings, we say,
How do you do? My name is Sam.
when introducing someone, we say,
May I introduce my friend Ben?
and responding to an introduction.
Pleased to meet you.
When leaving, we say,
Goodbye. It's a pleasure to have met you.
Part 4: Subsequent Meetings. Now, let's look at greetings for subsequent meetings. When you see someone again, you can say,
Hello, it's nice to see you again.
or you can say,
Good morning, how are you today?
for informal meetings, you might say,
Hi, Susan, how's it going?
and when you leave, say,
It was nice to meet you.
great job today, everyone. Remember to use these greetings in your conversations. See you next time.
Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.
Kindly subscribe to our channel to get new lessons almost every day. Like and share. Remember to ring the bell.